Hello friends. Today we will talk about effects of excessive use of mobile phones on children's health. The most advanced and effective communication device in this century is the mobile phone. A mobile phone is not only being used by a corporate or highly professional. People from all types of social groups have mobile phones in their hands now. The usage of the mobile phone is not increased only with all social groups, but also with people of all age groups. Children are the more noticeable group as they are using cell phones of all types. A recent research study shows that children are really capable of using an advanced type of mobile phone even without any proper guidance. Though mobile phones are the effective mode of communication, it is well-known fact that it also has adverse side effects if being overused. Today's children are growing up in a radio frequency environment that never existed in human history before. The radiation emitted by mobile phones can have adverse effects on children. Cell phone after a full day usage contains many germs on their display, which are highly numbered than your toilet seats. These germs are easily transferred to your body as you touch frequently or use close to your face for talking. This increases the risk of exposure to the germs and reduces your immune strength as immune status is not fully developed for children. Prolonged use of mobile phones for playing games or texting requires continuous movement of your hands, which may develop chronic pain in joints of your shoulder and hands. While using small size mobile phone screen to read some text for long hours, the child put lot of pressure or strain on eyes, and sometimes it starts to dry out and start headaches. Children, when concentrating much on playing games on mobile phones, they even fail to blink frequently with the increased interest and attraction towards the game. It affects your emotions negatively and increases the stress level. Excessive use of a mobile phone increases the risk of diseases like obesity and hypertension in children. They may face lifestyle disorders including excess weight, reduced appetite, and irritability. Mainly among teenagers, cell phone can cause headaches, decreased attention, shortness of temper, sleep disorders, and depression. It is the sad reality that nowadays many people, especially youth, experience a lack of human contact, and they try to compensate it with mobile phone communication, which is not an adequate substitute for physical interaction. In cases of excessive mobile phone usage, there is a possibility of becoming addicted. The real world seems to fade in comparison with hours-long chats and hundreds of messages. Today's world is a world of technology and inventions, and there are many tools which essentially facilitate our life. Mobile phones play an important role in the development of human civilization, but their excessive use brings severe problems. To reduce their harmful effects, one should always remember that mobile phone is a friend, not a master, and it should never be used too much.